everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Cassie. So as you already could tell what this video is about by the title down below, this is a hair that I was working on for my hair project that I had in school, because as you guys know, I am in cosmetology school. Yes. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. As you can see, this hair already been bleached, so basically I'm going to just go ahead and have a double process. This is one of the brands I will be using because it says for dark hair going to light, so I like to use stuff for exactly what it's supposed to be used for. And this is the developer that I'm going in with, a 40 volume developer. So as you can see, the hair is already parted, and the part that was already pre-bleached, this is the only hair that I will basically be using in this section. So as you see, I'm just parting it little by little to make sure every strand and every piece of the hair basically get, you know, bleached basically. So this is how the bleach look, and this is how I'm just basically applying it all over the back. As you can see, I actually use a hair clip too to help me, you know, so the other hair on top doesn't get bleached or turn any color. So if you have to, go ahead and use a hair clip. So on to the next side. I like to work in sessions. That's why you see I did my left side first, and then I went ahead and went on my right side, just to make sure a lot of that product is saturated into the hair. So finally I reached my last section of tracks, and basically I'm going to just saturate this as well, and then I'm gonna go over and basically, I almost like you put in a relaxer and just like marinate that bleach and developer basically into the hair to make sure it comes as light as possible as I can get it. So as you see, I ended up seeing that my left side had some of the product that was starting to dry up and wasn't wet as saturated as the right side. So I went ahead and went in with my leftover product so that, you know, no product is being wasted, because I do not like wasting products. So I went ahead and redid that left side, but basically not by section, but exactly how you see me putting it. So now that I'm done with that step, now I'm just taking my hands and basically just like running my fingers through every tracks and through the hair or whatever, just making sure that each strand had got some of that product. Now for some of you who don't know, who do know, using heat towards, you know, hair that you are bleaching, it basically speeds up the process. So basically that's exactly what I am doing. I'm just basically speeding up the process so I could go ahead and deposit my colors. Voila. Ooh la la. Do y'all see how much uplifting that I did? I did a double process of lightening hair, and right now I'm just basically blow drying the hair so I could go ahead and deposit my color. Do y'all see that the color went from that to this? Oh yeah, baby. We about to do something. We about to really get in. For some of you who are wondering, this is the shampoo that I use on all my wigs and my hair. Then to give my hair back that shine, this is the hair treatment that I use. So exactly where you guys see me basically putting my hand across, that's exactly how I'm going to be layering the color. So basically I'm going to be depositing one color up top from right there, and then the second row will be right here, and then at the bottom the ending color. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and this is the brand Kiss Colors. Now, as I said, I'm preparing and depositing my first color, which is that blue, that light baby blue, on the top roots basically. Now I'm depositing my second color, which is lime green. I had realized you guys couldn't see, but I already had deposited my third color, which was a very bright yellow, which I will show you guys. But just right here I just adjusted it, but that's how the yellow look. I can't wait till you guys see this color just basically dry. Now that I finished depositing all my color, I'm just going back into the same colors of where I feel like missed to get some colors, or that I still see that light blonde kind of type of color, because I want this hair saturated and I want the color to be deposited on every strand of hair. So now that I deposit all three of my colors that I wanted to deposit and everything is in there saturated, I'm going to let this sit on the hair for about probably a good 30 to 45 minutes. If you want, you could deposit some, add some heat like a blow dryer, or put it under a something that's just hot to basically make the color appear on the hair more, I'll say, vibrant. Can we take this time right now to get into these colors? OMG, I felt like this deposits so well and so magnificent. Like, I literally cannot wait till you guys see the finishing touch. So this is the finishing touch. This is how it looks. It basically came all full long. I cut some bangs on it. I personally, me, did, yes. cut some bangs. There it goes. Just tell me how it looks. Tell me what you think about this wig that I did in the comment section down below. Give me some feedbacks. But yes, I felt like it came out beautiful, more than I even imagined. I didn't know it would have came out this dope, but I'm excited. I went in and washed the color off with the same shampoo that I showed you guys earlier, and put that same hair treatment that I showed you guys. Just look at that peekaboo color. Like, who that? Who that? Yeah, that's me. Like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to put on your post notification. If you are new, welcome, and I see you guys in my next video.